If you want to know the simple and easy way to clean your Glock for everyday carry, then this video is for you. What is up, guys? Will Workman here with Workman Protection, here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below so that we can get this training past the algorithm. Our sponsor for today's video is Locked In Grip Liquid Shooting Chalk. Locked In Grip keeps your hands free of moisture while providing a great connection to your firearm during training. I tend to get sweaty hands when I train, which causes me to get a blister right here. Locked In Grip makes a huge difference in my connection to the gun, and I never go to the range without it. Check them out at lockedingrip.com. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple and easiest way to clean your everyday carry Glock. And this will work for any and all Glock models. Now, I know my Glock may look a little different than your Glock. I have made some upgrades, but just know that everything internally looks and functions exactly the same as your gun. Be sure to stick around to the end because the last step is the most important. Let's get right into what you need. So to get started, you'll need a clean, flat surface to make sure you don't lose any parts as we start disassembling. Big thanks to Baker Targets for sending us this nice tablecloth. If you need some good targets for training, then go check them out at bakertargets.com. Then you'll need a cleaning kit. Now, my favorite is this Ready Up Gear cleaning kit. It's pretty inexpensive and it comes in this nice case to make sure that you're not losing any parts in your bag, and you can pretty much carry it anywhere. If you need a good cleaning kit, then check them out in the description. Next, you'll need a rag to wipe everything down with. Now, I like something soft, just like a piece of an old t-shirt will work great. The last thing that you'll need is eye protection. Please do not skip this step because you do not want those small pieces of metal flying back into your eyes while you're cleaning. You may also want to wear some gloves because lead poisoning is a real thing. I just try to be really careful to always wash my hands really well immediately after cleaning. I also like to have a can of compressed air. Now, you can pick these up at Walmart or on Amazon, and this is totally optional. You don't have to have it, but I think it really helps quite a bit. All right, the first step is to disassemble your Glock. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is to make sure your gun is unloaded. Now, I like to visibly and physically double check to make sure it's unloaded. Then you're gonna point the gun in a safe direction and pull the trigger. Then you're gonna put slight pressure on the takedown lever and gently pull back the slide just a little bit. You should feel the takedown lever click down, and now your slide will move freely off the frame. Slide it off, remove the rod and recoil spring by pushing down on the spring and pulling it out, then remove the barrel. Okay, for a simple basic cleaning for an everyday carry gun, this is as far as we're going to break it down. I told you, it's really simple. The first thing I like to do, since we're not taking some of the more complex pieces apart, is just to hit all the nooks and crannies with some of the compressed air to break up any loose fragments.
Every cook and nanny, hook and granny, crooked search everywhere.
Again, you don't have to do this, but it does help. Make sure you have safety glasses on so that you don't take any metal shards to the eye. Ask me how I know. Then we're gonna place our rag on the table under the barrel and grab our cleaning rod and brush. Then we're just gonna apply some oil down the barrel and run the bore brush down the barrel a couple of times. And this is just basic hops oil. I've put it in this nice little container that comes with the Ready Up Gear kit. There's also one for cleaning solution. Any kind of gun oil will do, just make sure that it is specifically gun oil so that it doesn't ruin your finish. We won't be using the cleaning solution because we aren't breaking down every tiny piece of the gun today to clean and store it. We're just doing a basic oil cleaning for our carry gun to keep it running great.
Okay, all right.
Then you're just gonna take either a rod with a cleaning swab or a cloth brush and run it down the barrel to clean out all that loose gunpowder residue. Then we're gonna apply some oil to our recoil spring and clean it up a little. Then we'll move on to our slide. For the slide, make sure you put some oil directly on the grooves that connect the slide to the frame and scrub them with a brush. These parts get a ton of friction, so we want to make sure that they are good and clean and oiled well so that the gun is running smoothly. Then we're just going to apply some more oil and scrub the remainder of the inside of the slide. Then we're going to wipe everything down really well with a cleaning rag to get all that gunk off. Before we get to the last and most important step, if you are new to concealed carry or you're just trying to find a better way to conceal, then I want to give you something that will really help you out. And that is my free guide to concealment. It's basically everything that I wish I knew when I first started carrying a gun, and I want you to have it for free. So go check that out in the description down below. Once it's all cleaned, we'll apply a little bit of oil just on the working parts, wiping off any excess oil so it's not dripping or gumming up your gun. This is what keeps your Glock running for thousands and thousands of rounds. All right, now that we've got it all cleaned and oiled, it's time to put it back together. Start by putting the barrel back in place. Then the recoil rod and spring, putting the front in first and squeezing it together to slide in the back. Make sure it fully clicks into place. Then set the slide at the end of the frame, making sure that the grooves line up with the rails on the frame. Then slowly move the slide to the rear, making sure that everything is lining up as you go. You should hear a click, and then the gun should be free to be racked freely. And that's all there is to it. Now your everyday carry Glock is cleaned, oiled, and ready for several thousand more rounds. Just make sure you apply a little oil as needed.
He said oil can.
Oil can what?
Oil can?
Your Glock is like a car. It'll run dirty just fine, but it will not run dry. If you gained value from this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe down below and comment and let me know what gun should we clean next. And check out my other content if you like all things concealed carry. Until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.